Welcome to wildlifehub. Snakes are elongated, legless reptiles that belong to the suborder Serpentes. There are over 3,000 known species of snakes, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Snakes play an important role in many cultures and are often associated with fertility, rebirth, and healing. Many people fear snakes, but they are generally not aggressive towards humans unless they feel threatened. Most of the species of snakes are harmless to humans. Snakes can make interesting and unique pets, but they are not for everyone. If you are considering getting a pet snake, it's important to research and choose a species that is appropriate for your level of experience. Provide them with proper care and housing. There are many dangerous snakes in the world. Today I will show you the top 5 deadliest snakes in the world. Number 5. Black mamba. Its name derives from the blackened inside of its mouth. The black mamba is feared because it is large and quick, and it possesses an extremely potent venom that kills most of its human victims. It is responsible for only a small number of deaths annually. Number 4. The venom of some species, including the Okinawa habu tea, Flavoviridis, an aggressive snake that often enters human dwellings in the Ryukyu Islands, is mildly dangerous. On the other hand, the venom of the Terciopelo bee, Asper, the fur delance of Central America, is necrotizing, painful, and often deadly. Other dangerous fur delances include the Jararaca bee, Jararaca of Brazil, and the Wutubothrops alternatus of Argentina. Number 3. The eastern tiger snake, Notechis scutetus, is the most widely distributed type of tiger snake, which inhabits the southern fringe of Australia and the region's nearby islands. As it prepares to strike, it flattens its head and neck in a manner similar to Asian and African cobras. Number 2. The saw-scaled viper Echis carinatus may be the deadliest of all snakes, since scientists believe it to be responsible for more human deaths than all other snake species combined. Its venom, however, is lethal in less than 10% of untreated victims, but the snake's aggressiveness means it bites early and often. And now on the top number 1 deadliest snake in the world is king cobra. The king cobra, Ophiophagus hanna, is the longest venomous snake in the world. Its bite delivers a tremendous amount of paralysis, including neurotoxins. The snake's venom, so strong and so voluminous that it can kill an elephant in just a few hours. Deaths also results in at least 50 to 60% of untreated human cases. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos.